Alrighty guys, what's going on today? Today I want to talk to you all about the Bamboo Matcha Tea Whisk. This thing is really cool. Basically, got this as a gift from my girlfriend. She is in love with matcha. She drinks the one with this local coffee shop that we get a lot, and they make it really well. Beyond your Starbucks matcha, they actually mix it, and it's very fresh, very traditionally made. And so I wanted to get her something that we could make. Basically, we can make it at home, and we got the powder and everything, and got this little thing to actually do like the traditional style matcha, and it's great. It really works really well. Strangely enough, I've actually used it a few times, and it's pretty cool, I have to say. Got me into matcha, drinking it. I wasn't a huge fan before. Essentially, what it is overall is a small tea whisk. It's made out of bamboo. Pull it out of its little case. Small tea whisk. It's made out of bamboo. Very simple. Yeah. It's basically just one of the traditional ways that people prepare matcha, and that's kind of what I learned. It really does make the perfect cup of matcha, though. When you're blending your powder in there, it blends it in really perfectly. It's basically just to actually use it. You put your milk or water in, you put your matcha powder in, and you just kind of do in like a zigzag motion back and forth. Very simple. It's not like an actual whisk. You're not like, being aggressive about it and trying to really like fluff it up. It's just very gentle, and everything kind of just moves through it. And what it does is it just helps to make everything really frothy, really creamy. It also makes it much smoother, so you don't have those big, powder clumps of matcha inside, which is just the most annoying thing. When you're drinking, you have to deal with those big, huge clumps in there. It just kind of ruins the whole, matcha experience, as you would say. But yeah, the actual build of the whisk, as you can tell, this is handcrafted. It's handmade. Very authentic, which I dig. It's very similar to the one that they use at the shop that we have down the street. And yeah, it just looks good. It gives, you keep it in this little thing right here, and it gives it this nice, it gives your kitchen this nice kind of organic sort of look to it. It's just an interesting little utensil, I guess you could say, to have around. Bamboo is also ultra sustainable. It's probably one of the most sustainable woods there is. So if you're an environmentalist of any sort, or just about sustainable woods, you'll really dig that. The whisk comes in this nice little portable clear display, which it doesn't go in that way, it goes in this way, which is kind of cool actually, because not only will it keep it free from like dust or grime or whatever is floating around, it also helps to basically, store it, keep it nice, and give it a good look. Also, you have the Japanese symbols on the front as well, which is, just kind of fun. All in all, it's very small, very portable. The whisk is about 4 inches in length. There's kind of a good hand reference. And only a couple ounces in terms of weight. It's very lightweight. Bamboo is very lightweight. And so if you ever need to take it on the go for whatever reason, if you're going camping and want to bring this along, or just making matcha while you're visiting friends or family, you could definitely do that. Before you do use it, it is necessary to soak the bamboo in nice warm water. So that's one thing that you kind of have to follow when you use it. Basically what it does is it softens up these little bristles, and it prevents them from breaking or cracking. It is a little bit fragile. The bristles are a bit fragile, so you need to be a little wary of that, and just make sure that, again, it's not an aggressive sort of motion that you use to do this. To clean it, simply just rinse it with cold water. Pretty easy. You wouldn't ever put this in a dishwasher. It's not a good idea. You could either let it dry by, letting it sit around, which you usually do. You can obviously use a soft paper towel to dampen it and dry it. But yeah, that's basically it. If you're a big fan of matcha or know anyone that is, it's a nice little gift. It's a Bamboo Matcha Tea Whisk. And yeah, definitely check it out. Alrighty, take it easy, guys.